Guys, good evening. So this is Ate Patty and this is Kuya Marley and we are doing Who is Most Likely Siblings Edition.
Sa akong 20! Sa mukha niyo balik!
Okay. Okay, so ang mag-question is si Kuya Ethan. Go, Kuya Ethan!
Take.
Bante daw, yan sabi nyo.
Who is most likely to get car sick on a long family road trip?
So unfortunately, wala pa may so wala pa yung nagka-car sick, wala pa may long road trip.
Who
Wala
is
pa.
most likely to hold gender ba rin?
Huh?
Gender. Spell gender. Lang. Most likely like gender.
So ako ang ano sa nato dahil sa ilaha. Ako ang mag-answer sa question ni Kuya Ethan. Okay, so it will be ate or kuya.
Ganito.
Oh.
Gender. Who is most likely to hold a gender?
Grudge!
Ay, grudge.
Kailang kalagot ba?
Oh, okay.
This one. Take revenge. Take revenge. That's not good.
Both of us. Okay, next.
And that's not good. Dili na siya maayo. Hold of grudge siya sa katao. That's
I wanna do it again.
ang bibi.
Oy, okay.
Unsa man niya muntik
Who
question,
is
oy?
most likely to forget a family member's birthday? Wala.
Wala.
Wala pa. Naa. Parang September 6.
So, wala pa man so far.
Who is most likely to have the cleanest bedroom? Wala.
Cleanest bedroom kani.
Huh?
If nanami bedroom. So, karon kay wala pa man mi bedroom. So, feel ako siya kay mas organized man siya.
Naamoy
Si
bedroom.
Kuya.
Naamoy
Nami bed pero wala mi room. Okay, the next question is
Hurry up.
ano ba yung questionnaire na yan?
Who is most likely to be a drama queen?
Of course! The drama queen of all the drama queen. Maski wala na unsa. Na!
Drama.
Si Kuya ma!
Kane.
Drama queen, no?
Who is most likely to be mom's favorite?
Baby.
Parang sila ko. Sige, para fair is si Gab-Gab na to. This is Gab-Gab.
Unfair.
Para wala. This is Gab-Gab. So wala. Wala yung favorite. Parehas tanan.
Para di mo galit
Fair.
ang isa. Sa isa-isa. Who is most likely to become a vegetarian? Wala.
Vegetarian, this one. Kaya nagakaon jud niya siya vegetables. And this one,
Wala.